I get asked a lot why it is I choose one particular solar screen company over another. And let me tell you, this is the reason why I like Twitchell. Their product is literally flawless. Very, very seldom do we ever see any misfires or misalignments in the material. So you're almost always guaranteed 99.9% of the time a nice, clean, beautiful mesh. They also have some gorgeous colors. And to really put the cherry on top, if you will, warranty. I don't know any other company, and I'm not going to use their name in this country, that guarantees a limited lifetime warranty on your material. Limited lifetime warranty. That is a gorgeous word. And even better, Twitchell, 100% made in America. Oh man, and that just makes me happy because as a patriot, as a military veteran as well, 5th generation, actually 6 now with my niece in the Air Force and a nephew, we're proud of our Made in America first.